out to Last Fly High Records. Shout out to Mr. Armada. We got my boy D-Ron.
Yo, Young Money, Cash Money, baby. We out here doing the big, you know what I'm saying? YMCMB, baby. GD on my life, cuz.
Jay Shepson here. Yeah. Alright, here we go.
All I do is rhyme. All I do is get this money. All I do is grind. Play shows and
Sheps.
chill with
111, baby, on my life, my nigga. 111.
Ain't it funny? I'm one of a kind. All I do is rhyme. All I do is get this money. All I do is grind. Play shows and chill with honeys. All I do is shine. Show the world, ain't it funny? I'm one of a kind.
I get the bass bumping like boom boom bop. Yeah, when I walk in, the shirts just drop. Everybody's like, who's that? It's Sheps. Oh, you know, he's Broomfield's best. Everybody's like, who's that? In the bag, that's my boy D-Rock. And you know we looking fresh and so clean, but so dirty on the mic. Oh yeah, dude, I can go all night. I can go 24, I can go for 7, 365, and I swear I'm living heaven. And everybody's like, how you do it so good? I'm like, I don't know, it's not cause I'm from the hood, raised in the burbs. I'm a white rapper, one of a million. Yeah, I'm the final chapter of the book, that famous novel, Pulitzer Prize winner. Yeah, baby, popping bottles. Oh no, but we don't really do that. We just kinda keep it chill, low key, kick back. Everybody's like, who's that spittin'? I'm like, you already know, man, I'm winning. What's up?